In the following tutorial, you'll learn how to use the Replace Text processor to change the values of a field in order to assign the right data type. This dataset from the city of Bristol shows a list of all the trees with information such as their name and height. If we look closely at the trunk diameter column, we see that it is not set up correctly. The value is accompanied by its unit, and therefore the field cannot be set as a numeric value. To fix this, we'll use the Replace Text processor to change the values in this column and delete the units. We'll add it in the Dataset's Processing tab. Select the desired field, trunk diameter. Then, add the value we want to change, and finally, the new value. Here, we want to remove the unit of the diameter. So let's put centimeters as a value to change and say that we would like to replace it with a single space. The field now only contains a numeric value, which allows you to configure this field as an integer. Now that all of our values have the same format, we can create a chart in order to compare the diameters of different trees.